First of all, let's make a duplicate of this very image, and then I'm going to rename the one of the duplicate as right. So left. So left of the image will be as a reference the original, and the right, which I'm going to do that in a moment. There you go. I'm going to keep it, and this is where we're going to edit our image so they can see the before and after simultaneously. Right, so I'm an idiot. Left. I know, I'm not giving you any introduction because what's the point? So this video is about showing you how to use the RETOUCH4ME plugin, but at the same time with my personal touch. So in terms of the exposure looks pretty cool in my opinion, but I could, however, raise the brightness with curve. There you go, and then just a touch bright. This looks nice and beautiful, and then I'm gonna click that image, go to the filter and turn on dodge and burn. Probably not, probably I will start with heal to make sure that all the spots are going away, but allow me a few seconds because I'm running a lot of softwares at once, so it might take some time. However, so that's the after already. So that's the original after. So if you want to change it, you can actually see the result simultaneously. Looks all right for me. So I'm going to apply. Now I could actually create a new layer and then apply the second filter, second plugin, but you know, I'm straightforward guy, so I'm not going to go into that trouble. Second thing I'm going to do is to do a little bit of dodge and burn. I believe this image deserves a little bit of dodge and burn, which going to come in any second. And if you would like to apply these plugins, I invite you to go down in the description below and then try it out for yourself. And if you want to buy using my code, you'll get 20% discount. So that's the original and that's after. You see, very subtle yet beautiful. I'm going to apply. Followed by, I'm going to go back to the filter plugin, RETOUCH4ME. Mattifier, because you know it seems to be a slightly more bright, so I'm going to tone it down a little bit, especially on the highlight area and the bright mid-tone area. So in order to do that, the mattifier going to polish this one off so that you don't have any harsh highlight in your image. So I'm going to pull it up a little bit, zoom in just to see the result, original and after. You see the original, you have this on the nose, you have certain things, but the highlights are gone after applying the plugin. That's just purely magic. And last but not the least, because I don't think I have to work on the eye, probably not, the lips looks nice, so you can see the result side by side, which is phenomenal. And finally, you know, I'm a big fan of black and white, so first I'm going to get the get the vibrance. So vibrance, I'm going to bring it exactly the same place I did before. I reduce the saturation, and it's nice black and white, but sepia is my jam, so I'm going to use the sepia, not this one. I think the thing that I was looking for is the selective color, if I remember, or lens filter. Aha, that's the one. So the lens filter will give you like one of those beautiful sepia look. Let's see how strong I want to go. I would probably go a little bit just about there, and voila. And then you see that it applied on both image. I don't want the both image to be affected because the left one is the reference, so only the right. And my curve, the original curve, I'm going to do something which is the fade look. So I'm going to pull the shadow one up, however pull the lower shadow down, highlight as well down, so it will give you a nice little faded look. And voila, how long it took. I'm going to take a look at my recording. Only 5 minutes minus the talking. And that, my friend, are the beauty of this plugin. As you see that I just did multitude of work in less than 5 minutes, which normally take 2 hours. That's the miracle, and that's the beauty of it, and I highly recommend you to go down and try it for yourself. I obviously used it in Affinity Photo. It works on Photoshop or any other software that allows a Photoshop plugin. Enjoy photography, live your life. I love you all. Take care of yourself and try the software in the description below. The code is 20%.